Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by prepping gear and making the first connection. Plug the guitar into the interface 1/4 instrument jack and engage the instrument setting. This ensures correct impedance. Once done, connect the interface to your computer via USB and confirm the interface gets power. The LED should light. Make sure your guitar volume sits around 6 to 8 so levels start in a safe range, and use headphones or mute your amp to prevent feedback while you configure the software. You now configure your DAW and set proper levels. Open Audio Preferences and choose the audio interface as both input and output so routing is consistent. Create a mono track, pick the exact instrument input, and enable input monitoring so you hear the guitar. Turn the gain up while playing the hardest parts and watch meters. Aim for peaks near -6 dB to preserve headroom. If you see red clipping, back off the gain immediately and recheck the cable and jack seating. You finish by recording and finalizing the session. Hit record and play a short test take while listening for latency and unwanted noise. This tells you if buffer size or driver mode needs adjustment. If latency bothers you, use direct monitoring on the interface or lower your DAW buffer to 64/128 samples for real-time feel. Once satisfied, save your session and export. If problems persist, check drivers, USB cable integrity, proper sample rate, and gain staging. These fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.